Hi, I'm Princess and I have a normal to oily skin. It tends to oil pag hindi oil control yung aking nagagamit na products. So I have two powder foundations and I want to try the other one kasi yung isang powder foundation ko ay isang subok na matibay at subok na matatag, and that's the Blur Base from Colorette, and I'm in the shade Matty. Pero sa first base, I'm in the shade Donsol. So I have two powder foundation here. One is from Colorette and the one is from Enigma. And I'm in the shade FN04 Fair. Same shade with my foundation from Enigma. And we will wear test side by side. Yung shade comparison din niya. Just bought the refill one. Wala siyang libreng puff. So good thing I have my own puff. For Blur Base, I have my puff na sobrang dirty na. But my face using this Dalma. Actually, I'm not a fan of powder foundation. On the right side of my face, I'll apply Blur Base. So, again, I'm in the shade Matte. Blur Base on the right side of my face. Let's try Enigma. On the left side of my face. Sana naririnig nyo ako kasi medyo maingay dito sa bahay. So, in the shade Fair. Medyo... Ito yung exact shade ko sa foundation. So, upon application, parang manipis si Enigma compared kay Blur Base. Ayan. Kailangan ko pang kumuha ulit ng product. So, yan. Medyo parang mas maputi si Matty sa camera. Pero sa personal, medyo maputi. So, this is Enigma on my face. Ayan. This is Enigma on the left side of my face. And this is Blur Base on the right side of my face. So, anong oras ngayon? Okay, right now it's 5:15. 5:15 ng hapon naman. So, I'll get back to you bago matulog. Ayan, tingnan natin yung performance na Base and Enigma. Again, I have normal to oily skin. So, sana hindi siya mag-oil up kasi nung Blur Base, hindi ako nag-oil up.